It's called Digistore 24, and this is one of the founders right in here, Sven, and the man bun right there. What I like about Digistore is it's great for product owners like me because there's lots of integrations. Now to get started, where we'll go is we will go to this top right corner where it says register now. See right there, and click that button. For Digistore, you have to sign up. You go here, you have to accept some terms and conditions, you have to write in some information, and what you'll want to say generally is you'll want to select you're going to be an affiliate, okay? Unless you are intending on creating your own product, which means you are a vendor. Like I have my own product. I have a digital course on how to do affiliate marketing with paid advertising. It's $2,000. It's called the Super Affiliate System. I'm a vendor and an affiliate, but you just care about being a vendor, or most of you will. Doesn't hurt to sign up as both. So you select that and you'll fill out your information. Now, once you're logged in, what you'll see is you have the dashboard. It shows you your daily earnings right here. It shows you your daily earnings chart. You can look at your weekly earnings. You can look at a couple different things here, but overall, it shows you that information, and it also shows you your payouts down here. So it'll show you when you're expected to get paid out and when. Now, I set it up for payments every other week just because it doesn't really matter to me, but I'm going to change it to weekly. Find a product to promote is I want to go to the marketplace, which is right here. And this is where we find products that we can promote their links, we can paste their links on the internet and make money. Now, here's some good stuff. We'll see the average order right here, the average earnings from each of these products, $4.79. We see right here, average earnings, $5 right there. We see $28 right there. $38 by selling this product. Now, what you have to understand about Digistore is that there are not a lot of products. There's only about 100 products on the market so far because it's very new. But Digistore is very effective for a couple of reasons I'll go over. They allow any country and they pay out through PayPal, so that's pretty cool. So learning how to market these products would be a really good idea. Let's say we want to promote HSV Eraser. We can click Promote Now, and we'll have a link. See that? There's our link. We can click this. We can also preview the link and see permanently eliminate the herpes virus from your body. Watch this and cure herpes in no time. So this would be the affiliate page that it would go to, is we're actually going to promote our links out there on the internet. Now, this is great because this is where the money comes in. This is how you get paid when you're promoting your products out there on the internet. Now, one last note before I move on is you can find products a couple different ways, by popularity or by sales rank. And then you click this button, which is search, to find other products with sales rank. Now, I just listed my product on here, so it's not at the top yet, but I think we'll see it soon. So we see HSV Eraser is pretty high up there for sales rank. That's good, so we're gonna promote this. Promote your link, make money, get paid. You can do this any country, any age. You can get paid through PayPal. It's absolutely amazing. There's a lot of money out there to be made, so make sure you slam that like button.